So these are the 4 women who have been nominated. You were saying that women have been quite public. I just feel sports in India in general, whether it's women or men, I don't think there is enough recognition. I mean, we're a huge country with a ridiculous population, and I think sports, besides cricket, I don't see any sports being relevant.
Although it's
right
starting
now.
to slowly change.
But I mean, really
In some
slowly.
areas.
I think Sonam, you're absolutely right, because
Sania,
there is almost no attention paid to sport,
And-
sport as a field.
Yeah.
So there is not enough investment in it, whether in terms of time, attention or money.
I think the point I'm trying to make is that in sports, you do have female sports icons. Sania Mirza, Saina Nehwal, P.T. Usha, they have been sports icons.
It's
and
beginning.
that's
No, it's beginning,
it's
but what
important.
Sonam's saying has a point, that we need to pay more attention on sports per se as
As
a focus
I
of
agree with you.
attention.
Yeah.
I mean, even though when we chose the sports categories, Sonam must share with you that they are unusual fields. One is a cyclist, one is a football player, one is a referee. Therefore, to have this entire and one is, of course, having a serious disability who went into para-athlete, Deepa Malik. So you're having a totally different dimension, because, before Bend It Like Beckham, football wasn't exactly as popular as it was in India. So you have developed certain things across the way.
This was the most difficult category for us to
Yeah,
learn.
it's
Very
very
hard.
sad. It's very sad, and I like I said, we are a lot of people, and we have all kinds of people. I don't understand. I'm sure that there are lots of talented athletes out there that are not getting the chance and the opportunity to be, because sports requires a lot of money to excel in this field of sports. And my request is, people who are giving away money for good deeds, I think you all should invest in sports, because honestly, being a sportsman or a sportswoman encourages a lot of good qualities in human beings. Sportsmanship and healthy competition.
Absolutely.
But Sonam, the film world is also doing a bit about it. Bhag Milkha Bhag, etc. You
and
actually
other
developing
sports-based films which are now starting to come, Maricom, and films like that. Just wanted to, tell all members of the jury, I think one of the things that's really great, and I guess this is part of what you were trying to do, is also nominate and honor people who aren't necessarily that well known. Because otherwise, when you have sports and you have entrepreneurship, you'd
It's
say
not the usual names.
Sania Mirza, Saina Nehwal, and there you are, in Maricom.
They are
you move on.
incredible achievers as well.
They
so
are,
it's
but
also
I'm saying
important to recognize that.
Yeah.
But I think it's great, Sonam, that they're
Unsung.
different people who are
Yes.
coming up in entrepreneurship.
Unsung heroes always great.
Vani